I got 2 hit markers on him. Damn it, dude. Oh my god. No way! Oh, I would have been so happy. Now I'm just gonna die. Oh my god.
Just gonna stare out there, hear me cry. It's alright, kind of
Ow! Come on! Damn it!
Enemy UAV online.
Still fight though, can't fight. I have to load into my hate. Second hate, I load into separate hate. I went up the top of the ground, he hates me. He hates me, and I love it. Wait, don't move me. Hey, wait.
UAV recon standing by.
This is so much fun! Boom!
Incoming enemy care package.
Oh god. I don't know where to go.
I'm waking up.
Oh god! Oh my! Get the fuck out of my face! Damn it!
Advantage.
Holy, that was a rampage if I've ever seen one.
We've taken control.
He knew I was coming. How?
Shaping out and checking out on a prison bus. This is the apocalypse. Oh, I'm waking up. I feel good in my
Damn, I couldn't get close enough. Oh, I should have flashed him. That's why I need fast hands.
UAV above.
welcome to the new age. To the new age. Welcome to the new age.
No, he dropped down. You saw, how do you know I was there? Oh, he saw me. Damn. God damn it, Maddie. Come on, yeah!
Standby. We have the lead.
Get him!
Care package forward. We've taken control.
What?
I'm waking up. I feel good in my
It got destroyed!
Welcome to the
Enemy
new age.
UAV above.
To the new age. Welcome to the new age. To the new age.
Oh my god, I suck. What? Bullshit.
Enemy UAV above.
Ooh! No, don't shoot me. Stop, 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 stop. It's okay. Shit, double shit.
We're losing this fight.
I'm actually going X Factor would be funny, only reason. Yeah.
No, I had him!
Enemy UAV online.
Come here, bitch! Come on, give me one!
Everybody says
Jukes!
the heavens and the speak.
Incoming.
Oh, I thought I had him.
Every song's getting noise.
UAV
Crash
is online.
boys and daydream. We were born
Launching
sick.
care package.
Hadn't said no access. As I wish I joined the bedroom.
Enemy UAV online.
One shot, one kill, bitch! Where'd he go? No! You, oh, if you got me killed, I would've been upset. Damn! Oh, we're gonna lose. That sucks. Oh, well, I had fun.
Pathetic. Enjoy the unemployment line, grunts.
God damn it, I can't take it. We'll check back in like 10 minutes. That was cool. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. What's this? More aiming down sights. Got it. I think it'd be cool if she did. You would get her to stop fucking singing to me. Alright, we'll check. Hello?
What?
You done?
No.
Ugh. Why?
Actually, yeah. I stopped. I like stopped like a few seconds ago.
Yeah, see you later, man. Thanks for stopping by. If you stream later tonight, I'll be in there for sure. Yeah, it was fun though, wasn't it? Even though I didn't have a good KDA, it was still fun.
You're stupid, Spader.
And? Why are you talking to me then?
You should have never been born.
Too bad I
I'm gonna kill
was.
horses now.
Good for you, you hellspawn.
You're a hellspawn.
No, you are literal hellspawn.
No, I kill pixelated horses.
Hell spawn.
Pixelated block horses.
Hell spawn.
Are these horses your wife or something? Because I could
Yes.
understand that.
They are.
I understand that you married a horse. Or at least dating one.
That one really scared me. I thought I had him and I didn't have him.
Yeah, you're dating a horse.
God,
knew it,
Madison, you're
guys.
so funny. I won't tell him, I promise. Motherfucker!
Everybody, he's dating a horse.
We don't care about that, Madison. Everybody knows of my horse fetishes.
Oh, God.
Hell, I live next to a horse barn. At least I'm not like you and like to eat beard shavings, you nasty.
I don't do that.
Prove
That's
it.
Drink lime.
As far as I know, that's what you like to do in your spare time, is eat beard shavings. It's disgusting, Maddie. You really need some
That's
help.
Drink lime.
You need some help,
I almost barfed
Madison.
when drink. Dude, I know that I don't do that because I barfed when drink lime said it. Okay.
You only barf because you realize that people figured out your secret.
No.
Yep.
Because that's disgusting. And he's a terrible human being.
And you're
He
not?
should die in a fire.
What is he up there?
Enemy UAV above.
Oh, I hate that gun, dude. Oh man, but I hate this one because I have stim packs. I don't like stim packs. I like running fast. Oh my god, this guy is just fucking rolling us. What is that? The big boss. Oh shit, thanks for the follow. Alright guys, I can get 1 kill. I know I can. Just one.
No, you can't.
No, not.
Okay,
Damn it!
You're a loser. You can't.
Shit!
Yeah.
I got an
yeah,
assist.
Enemy UAV online.
You suck.
Oh! Run! Where am I getting shot at from? I can't see anybody. I suck. Is he still on top of the rock?
You're stupid.
Yeah! I told you I could get one.
See? You agreed. You said yeah.
Shut up, Madison. Shut up.
No.
Incoming enemy care package.
Bruh.
Enemy UAV above.
Do I have a little profile on this one? Oh! Come on! Yes! How's it going, the big boss? Thanks for that follow, by the way. I don't know if I thanked you or not already. Headshot! Woo! Where'd he go? Got him! Oh, that's just rude. What is there, guy? 16-0 on the other team?
Enemy UAV online.
Oh, come on! How about you? I'm doing awful. I'm getting destroyed this game. Oh! Oh! I got him. Come on! Oh! Yeah, we're getting rolled this game. I tried to start off with a shotgun. It didn't work out so hot. Oh, he's still on the rock! Shit. Yes, you can. Because I need all the help I can get. My PSN is the same as my Twitch name. Oh, come on!
Enemy UAV above. Friendly UAV above.
Oh, I forgot about the water! Oh, God! Oh, there's 2! Damn it! Other people left, dude. This match needs to end right now.
UAV online.
Starting to sound like Snape.
10 points to the Matrix. Mr. Anderson.
Yeah, we won! Yeah.
Enemy Valkyrie.
Mr. Anderson.
Oh, I thought I had him.
Close the door.
Wow, dude. Stimpack's useful. Useless. Just get the last kill. Just don't let it... It's gotta be me. Don't let it be me. Somebody else die. Yes!
We're not playing you to lose. Get it together and... In the greenhouse.
What is that? Why is it making that noise? Oh my god. Oh my god, what is that noise?
No, you wouldn't. Marcel drew a dick on the wall.
This you?
Now you're taking pictures? Next time on Dragon Ball Z. Vegeta said my chromosomes are over 90.
There we go. Oh. Oh. I want to prioritize the game. Oh, there it was. Okay. Just getting my ass kicked, you know, same old, same old. Do you have the Ascendance map pack? Alright, cool. I'm just playing Team Deathmatch because I can't do anything else without a full team. Mm. 36, I get the Bulldog.
Team deathmatch.
Alright, time to run fast.
Eliminate the enemies.
Yeah! Oh! He just got mollywopped. There's a guy on top of those boxes on the far side of that one hallway. Like a loser. Oh my god, there's two of them. Get down from there, you weirdo. Should know better than that. Oh my god, oh my god, that seriously just happened?
We have the lead.
Oh gosh. That guy's got a big gun. Got a big headshot. Oh man, dude, LMGs. Everybody's using that new gun. I don't like it. Ha.
Taking the lead.
Oh, I hit somebody. Oh, I got an assist for it. Well, those guys just got wrecked. Oh, damn it. Whoa, that guy's jumping around like a monkey. Like a spider monkey. Got another assist. Oh, bad guy. He's dead. Alright, this should let you see people through walls.
Care package inbound.
There should be one more, there should be one more, there should be one more. Where's he at? Give me this. Give me this!
Missile strike ready for launch. Friendly XS-1 Vulcan inbound. Friendly missile strikes incoming.
Die! No, die! Damn it. Somebody else got him. Got an assist.
Enemy care package incoming.
Ooh! Ha!
Enemy UAV above.
I ain't scared of your UAV. Let's run this way. Just keep running. I'm dead, aren't I? Nope. I have a savior. Oh, damn. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. No, 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 no. Get him! Ah, he's like one shot. Oh! Oh! Oh, that was lame. Oh, I got him though. Give me one. Hi, Kagermon. I'm glad you do. Makes me happy.
Care package on standby. Our UAV is online. Marking care package coordinates.
Mine. Yes! I got the super serum. Da-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na. Get over here. I got the super serum. There's got to be the greatest kill streak ever invented. Or care package ever. Yes!
Rod, that was textbook.
I do, Kagerman, I do. I'm having a good time. That was a good one. Yeah, it startled me. What gun was I using? Let's see, what should we use this time around? Yes. I'm gonna use a shotgun this round. It's gonna be fun. I don't know. It could be awful. I just have a blast using it when I one-shot somebody. I mean, if you want a good KD, then you're probably not going to be using a shotgun. But I don't really care about that. Hey, if you go 10 and 20 with the shotgun, but those 10 kills are with style, who cares? Kagerman followed me! Thanks, bud. What a guy. Alright, let's use the fully auto one because it's fun.
Team deathmatch.
No.
You now have execute authority. Move out.
Headshot. Ooh. Oh, damn it. Wait, can you go around this way? Ooh, sneaky. I haven't seen anybody.
We've lost control.
No!
Taking the advantage.
No! There's another one in there.
Our UAV is online. We've taken the lead.
Oh, I almost got a double at that.
We've taken the lead.
Ah! Alright, let's see, got these. Come on, give it to me! Shit! I messed it up. Oh, he tried dashing at me and everything. He tried so hard.
Orbital care package on standby. Launching care package.
Oh my god, it's so much fun. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I swear there's a dude chasing me. Whoever got that care package, you're welcome. Ah, oh, dang it. No, don't die, don't die, don't die. Ah, dude, I was on a rampage. I have no idea where I'm at. Just keep running, just keep running. Nope. Ah, damn. If I had laser sight, as soon as I get laser sight with this thing, it's gonna be so much better. Headshot. Oh, I just got domed by that. He's got a shotgun too. The guy with the riot shield does. Oh, he's right there. That was sweet! Yes! Oh my god, oh my god! Oh! Uppercut!
Enemy UAV above.
Oh, he was mad too.
Launching care package coordinates.
He
Friendly
said, get
UAV
out of
above.
here. Alright, later, Maddie. What is that? Advanced repulsion turret. What's this do?
Deployment.
I don't know. We'll just place it here. I don't know what it does.
Turret online.
Ha! Oh, it's like the microwave turret or whatever the hell it was in the old games. That's cool. Oh wow, he laid down. What a little girl. Better keep your hands off my turret. Oh, I got somebody with that stun grenade.
Friendly UAV above.
Oh, there's one around the corner. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I should be dead. What the hell? Chasing this boy down. Body. Oh no. Ah.
Enemy sighted near the drop pod.
Wrecked. Get out my face. No, I'm out of ammo. Shit, shit, shit.
Enemy UAV on.